do it wrong, it means that we do it differently.
Can you answer the allegations that you have a sleep when the camera turns off?
I'm too tired to answer that. Still 10.60 and 5.90 right. So we're not paid by the hour, we're paid per square metre off the pile of sheets that are here.
Yeah.
So we could work hard for 6 hours, we could fuck around for 12 hours, we could take all week, we get paid the same amount of money. Of course we work hard all the time.
Yeah.
We want to get this done, go home for our families, we don't want to spend all our time at work.
Yeah. But what about the question, why does everyone work hard and not just the boss?
We're all contracting. As I said, none of us are working by the hour. It is not in our best interest to try and milk time out of this. Let me put it to you this way, Max. Would you rather earn $50 an hour for 8 hours or $25 an hour for 16 hours?
50 and 8, 50 and 8.
50 and 8, go home, same money.
Yeah. Yeah. And you can go work somewhere else as well, right?
Double cameras, look, yeah.
This is Tim, fastest drywaller this side of the Rockies.
It's on the Rockies, eh?
What are these for, Tim?
For the floor, mate. Keep the wall sheets off the floor.
We've done this before, Tim, haven't we, mate?
Before, mate, yeah.
I love it, but they don't listen. Sometimes people say, oh, you don't stick them on the floor. They're actually 10 mil. They're spaced that far off the ground.
They are.
And why is that, Tim? So water doesn't go up, right?
So don't touch the sheets, yeah. So you been busy, Max?
Yeah, man. I've been very busy.
Let's go.
Looking forward to your break.
Yeah, mate, yeah.
Anything planned?
Nah, not this year. I haven't got anything planned, nah.
It's kind of the best thing, you know, having nothing planned so you can do anything you want.
Yeah, no, that's right, exactly, mate. I hate cancelling, so I don't plan nothing, you know?
Yeah. Welcome, man. Hey.
Grab them anyway. Different sizes, right? We got 212, 213s, and then Rory and I have our own billboard squares. These are tougher than me. Cut.
Fresh cut. Fresh cuts.
Daily.
It's gonna be a long day, Craig.
It is, Max.
It's gonna be a long day, Tim. We're going to the hail damage drywall ceiling project after this one.
Yeah, right.
Triple level pass up. 13 mil high ceiling hangover.
Lucky we got you then, eh?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do the work
You're
on
the
that one.
hanging over.
Hey Craig, do I have to work on the next one? Do I have to work on my job?
The boss never does any work, do they?
Yeah, I do.
They pull the pictures.
What's this stuff, Rory?
This is back box, mate, 500 by 200.
And what's that do, Rory?
Keeps the ceiling nice and flat and together if any movement or any problems.
And what's that blue stuff, Craig?
It's glue. It's stud adhesive.
Stud adhesive.
Stud adhesive.
Well, I've never heard of it.
Alright, so let's address this.
Let's address it.
So what we're doing here is we're putting these glues, these are 1200 deep. So we've got glue 200, 400. We're going to screw the centre at 600. Then we have 800 and a metre of glue. So the sheet will be supported every 200 mil.
And we use it instead of extra screws.
We use it instead of extra screws.
And it works well if done right. With the right product.
So there's different methods. There's this method, there's the 1/3 method where you have glue at 2, 6 and 10 and you screw 4 and 8. Alternatively, if you were to use only screws and meet the Australian standard, it would need 5 screws with no glue. So a screw, 2, 4, 6, 8 and a metre, which means 5 patches per truss or joist instead of 1. It's the screws instead. overseas drywalling brethren. I think what you mean to say is we do it differently. We do it to meet the code here. You do it your way to meet the code there. If you were to come and use your system here, it would be a fucking disaster to say the least.
Can you answer the allegations?
It doesn't mean that you do it wrong or I do it wrong, it means that we do it differently.
Can you answer the allegations that you have a sleep when the camera turns off?
I'm too tired to answer that. 10.60 and 5.90, right? So we're not paid by the hour, we're paid per square metre off the pile of sheets that are here.
Yeah.
So we could work hard for 6 hours, we could fuck around for 12 hours, we could take all week, we get paid the same amount of money. Of course we work hard all the time.
Yeah.
We want to get this done, go home to our families, we don't want to spend all our time at work.
Yep. But what about the question, why does everyone work hard and not just the boss?
We're all contracting. As I said, none of us are working by the hour. It is not in our best interest to try and milk time out of this. Let me put it to you this way, Max. Would you rather earn $50 an hour for 8 hours or $25 an hour for 16 hours?
50 and 8, 50 and 8.
50 and 8, go home, same money.
Yeah. Yeah. And you can go work somewhere else as well, right? You're right with that one, Rory.
Oh, I could do a hand, mate. Do it for hand. Get up here, come on.
He's struggling.
Wire.
No, there's a wire. How long you been drywalling, Craig? Craig and I, we went to school together.
Been nearly 20 years now.
Yeah.
Yeah, 18, 19.
He started drywalling when he was 6. Hey. Let's just say that. Hey, hola, Edmilson. Maxkil, Brazil in the house. Can everyone watching hit that like button? Come on, let's see it go up. Hit that like button. 61 people watching, we don't have 61 likes, come on.
Yeah. And also 760. 60 should be 500. Yep.
Hey, Michael Einstein. Hello, Simon. Oh, 21 likes. Let's go. Let's keep it popping.
This one here is 1170.
Yeah, in France, Nico. Yeah, you don't do glue. I think it's only like an Australia thing. Hey, good night, Valor.